Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make mulled wine. First, select a good quality dry red wine. Merlot or Cabernet Sauvignon work wonderfully. Next, gather your essential spices. Cinnamon sticks, whole cloves, and star anise are perfect. Don't forget fresh citrus like oranges, which add a bright, zesty note to your brew. Now, combine your chosen red wine, spices, and citrus slices in a large pot or Dutch oven. Stir in about 1/4 cup of your preferred sweetener, like brown sugar or maple syrup, adjusting to your taste. Gently heat the mixture over medium-low heat, ensuring it never comes to a rolling boil. Allow the mulled wine to simmer gently for at least 15 minutes, letting all those wonderful flavors infuse and deepen. Before serving, taste the mixture and adjust the sweetness or spice levels to your liking. Finally, strain out the solids and pour the warm, aromatic mulled wine into heat-proof mugs. Feel free to customize your mulled wine with other fruits, a splash of brandy, or a liqueur for extra depth. Garnish each mug with a fresh orange slice or a star anise pod for a beautiful presentation. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your cozy, homemade mulled wine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.